Well, these artists are actually doing the same work that I try to do, is to remind people that your mind can easily be confused. And myself is not immune to it. No human is immune to it. So when somebody's telling you something, make sure that you analyze what they're telling you and why they're telling you and who is telling you. And that work, it doesn't matter which geographical place or jurisdiction, or it doesn't matter who you think you are. Nothing matters. What it does matter is that you can be conditioned very easily. Your reflexes can be conditioned, and that is one example of it. These constructions in Eastern Europe. Mr. Hitler conditioned everyone to kill people for no reason, to say that they were superior, and they believe it. They want to believe it. So right here in the United States, it's the same. If you want to believe that you are white and that you're supreme and the people are attacking you, that is what you want to believe. And Joe Alpedo in Maricopa County, he is an Italian and he's a good guy. Analyze who is telling you that and why. Always remember that you are who you are. Saludos.